Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. Today we will be doing a transmission fluid change on my 370Z. We will be using the Redline MT-85. And so for this change, you'll need likely 4 quarts of it. So this is basically going to be a how-to video, like tutorial. And so yeah, basic stuff you'll need. Well, it's always easier if you do this on a lift. Most notable things you'll need: the little suction tool to put the new fluid inside the transmission, unless you have something like a pump, siphon, something that can go quicker. I don't know, but I just used a little syringe. It's a bigger syringe, so holds a little bit more. All right, now on the transmission there are 2 plugs, and you always want to do the top one first just in case something happens and you can't get it off. You're not screwed. So I used a 10mm Allen socket kind of thing. So 10mm is the Allen size there. I over tighten these majorly. Yeah, Jiffy Lube. And you should always use new crush washers when you're putting back the plugs. I didn't do it, that's just because I'm being cheap, but make sure you do it just to be safe. And then when everything was done draining, I torqued the plugs. I did to 25 foot-pounds. And then it's just filling it back up from here on. Make sure you have just a little bit more than 3 quarts. You might have to buy another quart of the Redline oil, because although it's close, the transmission takes just a little bit more than 3 quarts, maybe 3.1 or 3.2. So yeah, just be prepared to have a little bit more. And just like that, we have new fluid. It's good to do if you want a better feeling with shifting. Also, if your fluid's just old, I'd say it does feel significantly better than it did. That's also because I had the job done previously at Jiffy Lube. And remember, I'm no professional, but I hope that this video was somewhat informative. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll have some more Z videos coming out soon. As always, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.